show how I do foundation tuck point repair. Alright, so behind me is another foundation, you can see, and we're going to chisel out the joints. The mortar is going to just crumble out. They're old, it's Platteville gray stone. Platteville gray is what they call it. For this come together, so these joints are going to come out of this mortar. The paint I can't get off. That is paint, and that is going to be sandblasted by the homeowner is going to get a sandblasting company, maybe, perhaps, and that's how that's gonna get off there. But the most important thing is to tuck point it, tighten it up, fill the holes, prevent water leakage. Okay. So far in the video you've seen me remove the mortar from the joints and clear it out. And then what you didn't see was when we blew it out with a leaf blower and we got all the dust out and we took all the debris away. Now we're filling in the joints with this mortar and with a grout bag. And once this mortar sets up and is dry, then we're going to take a tool, a stick tool and a brush, and go through and knock it down and smooth it out. So just keep watching for one more bag of mortar. The key to the mortar is you have to use normal type S premix, and then you add one scoop or one trowel of type in, pure type in. That smooths it up real good, so it comes out of this bag real easy. Alright, thanks. Alright, we're back at this job after it's been cured, and just want to take a look at this now. This is what a foundation looks like after it's been tuck pointed. All the old mortar has been removed and it's in pretty good shape. Take a look around the other side of the house in the shade and we'll see the completed job, what it looks like when the mortar is dry. So it's been about a week and here we are, and I'm not able to get into the house to show the finished product of what was inside the house, unfortunately, but this is pretty good to show you the process of tuck pointing the foundation of a old stone house in St. Paul. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please contact, subscribe, like, and comment.